Shalom, guys. So we are out here on the land of Jezreel Valley, and today is a clear day. And so I was super excited because I wanted to show you guys we are out here on the grounds. I wanted to show you what the view is looking like actually from Jezreel Valley, right? And look at this view. Look how clear the mountains are looking. Wow! And this is not cleared at all. This is what the view is looking like now. Imagine when people start to come in and clear their space, right? And start to put up their homes. The view is going to be absolutely amazing, guys. And so feel free to sign up for our land investment webinar. We do it every Thursday. Yes, and so you can get an idea of what's going on inside of Jezreel Valley, what it's looking like, what's happening. This is one of our clients' pillars. So she gets a great view, right, of these mountains. Okay, it's 2026. Okay, it's 2026, and we just trying to gain assets all 2026, okay? I know I am. And so those are the arrows saying that her plots go in these directions, right? And so, yeah, if you guys are interested in joining us over here in Jezreel Valley, the view is amazing. It's nice and peaceful. It's quiet. We're in a developing estate. Okay, so you don't have to worry about being in the middle of nowhere. We are very centrally located. And so, sign up for our webinar, reach out to us, and we'll see where things go from there. Okay. And so, yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Shalom.